welcome to Scientifax. In this video, we'll be discussing the difference between mass and weight and the derivation of the formula of weight. In this column, we'll be seeing the comparison. In this column, we'll be seeing the mass. In this column, we'll be seeing the weight. Meaning. What is the meaning of mass or the basic definition of mass? Mass refers to the quantity of matter contained in a body. What is the meaning of the basic definition of weight? Weight refers to the force acted upon the object due to the pull or force of gravity. What exactly is mass? Mass is the measure of inertia. We'll be learning inertia in our upcoming videos. What is weight? Weight is the measure of force acting on an object. How does location influence mass? So mass remains the same irrespective of the location. How does location influence weight? Weight varies as per the location. So therefore, it depends on the force of gravity. If the force of gravity is strong, then the weight will be more. If the force of gravity is weak, then the weight will be less. So physical quantity. Which physical quantity? Basically, mass is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity only involves magnitude, whereas weight is a vector quantity, which vector quantity includes both magnitude and direction. So mass can never be zero, whereas weight can be zero when no gravity acts upon the body. The SI unit of mass is measured in kilogram, whereas the SI unit of weight is measured in newtons. So, mass is measured using an ordinary balance, whereas weight is measured using a spring balance. So, it can be ordinary balance or beam balance. Both are used to measure the mass. So, that was the difference between mass and weight. You can pause the video to take it down. How do we derive the formula of weight of an object? We know that the earth attracts every object with a certain force, and this force depends on the mass, which is denoted by m of the object, and the acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by g. The weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the earth. So basically, the earth attracts every object with a certain force, and this force depends on the mass of the object and the acceleration. Basically, it's the product of the mass and acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by g. The weight of an object is the force with which it attracts towards the earth. So we know that F is equal to ma, which is force is equal to mass into acceleration. That is, force is equal to mg, k is acceleration due to gravity. Over here in this chapter, a is replaced by g since the acceleration is caused by gravity. Or else in the Newton's laws of motion, we take it as a, which is acceleration. The force of attraction of the object, earth on an object is known as the weight of an object. So basically, the force of attraction of earth on an object is known as the weight, and it is denoted by W. So now we have W equal to mg. Since force is replaced by weight, F is replaced by W. So therefore, it will become W equal to mg as the final formula. That is how we derive the formula for weight of the object. Note, the weight of an object is directly proportional to its mass, which is denoted by small m. So basically, directly proportional, I actually told the video, directly proportional means that, so now if the weight also increases, the mass will also increase. That's what means directly proportional. Inversely proportional means if W increases, M decreases, and if W decreases, M increases. But here, weight is of an object is directly proportional to its mass. So, hence we conclude the session with this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.